Welcome to the second online class of the story The Missing Ring. Here is the diamond pearl ring that I promised you to show you. Diamond is a kind of gem. Pearl grows inside the shell of an oyster. Let's begin our class, The Missing Ring, SGP 2 and 3. See, page number 22, SGP 2. Akbar was very angry. He felt that one of his servants had stolen the ring. He sent for Birbal. When Birbal came, he told him what had happened and asked him to find the thief. Paragraph number 5. The following day, Birbal called the 8 servants who were in charge of the emperor's room. He gave each of them a short stick and asked them to come back to him the following day. He told them that one of them had stolen the emperor's ring and that the thief's stick would become longer as much as the length of a finger that night. Students, if you don't have highlighter pen, then you may underline the new words. Angry, to get upset. Stolen, take without owner's consent. Sent for, command to come. In charge of, taking responsibility of something. Stick, a small thin branch of tree. Question number 1. Akbar felt something about the missing ring. What was it? Akbar felt that one of his servants had stolen the ring. Question number 2. What did Birbal give to the servants? Birbal gave a short stick to each of the servants. Question number 3. What did he tell about the thief's stick? About the thief's stick, he told that it would become longer by as much as the length of a finger that night. Now we will read SGP 3, page number 23. The next morning, the 8 servants came back to Birbal with the sticks. Birbal asked them to stand in a line and looked carefully at the stick each one of them was carrying. Suddenly, Birbal caught hold of one of them and took him to Akbar. He told Akbar that he had caught the thief. The man fell at Akbar's feet and said that he had stolen the ring. He was punished by the emperor. The underlined word suddenly means quickly, unexpectedly. Caught hold of means find out. Paragraph number 7. How did Birbal know which of the 8 men was the thief? The man who had stolen the ring had believed that Birbal had said about the thief's stick become longer by the length of a finger. He had gone home and cut his stick to make it shorter, and Birbal had noticed that this man's stick was shorter than the stick of others. Notice means to mark, to observe. Now see page number 26 and do some vocabulary. find new words hiding in the word. An example is given to you: servant, van, and inside the word servant there are two words, van and ant. Try to find rest of the hiding words.